It's your boy Trey go crazy, man. I'm back with another POV. Like, yeah, I've been working. Y'all see, got the 360 on here. Oh, my 360 definitely needs to be charged. Oh my gosh, I don't remember the last time I even used my 360. Yeah, so this might die on me, but yeah, as y'all can see, or from the last POV, I'm just not leaving the job. Whatever, I really like the job or whatever. I really mess with them people out there, so hopefully I can be real successful in that field and go from there. Cause if so, oh, y'all just don't know. Y'all don't even know the stuff I have in mind. Oh, BMW, but like a hybrid, whatever. But y'all don't even know in mind what I have like in plan. Y'all don't even know. But yeah, we in the city with it. 40 minutes going home, and time to go from there. Yeah, that trafficness, y'all got it. I don't want no parts. We're back, chat. We're back. Guys, to get it over. Cool. Had to get on this line. Had to get in that line. Like, I was like, yo, this is so beautiful, bro. I hope y'all, I don't know if the angle is right to the point y'all can see this, but my next rep, y'all, I'm gonna make sure I don't have this. I'm gonna make sure I don't have this so y'all can actually see what I'm looking at or whatever. Hope y'all really can, but like this is so so beautiful, bro. Like, if y'all can see that, this is so beautiful. Atlanta is so beautiful. Like, just look at it. Just look at it off my you feel me? This is, well, now my auto center back that way. I take it back. Never mind. It don't even matter no more. Don't even matter. Don't even matter. Don't even matter. But come on, hold on, bro, it's gonna be noon. Why is the traffic going this way? Oh, nah. Oh, I don't know who's honking and why. Oh, this way always having traffic. Never mind. Cause it's the other way going to the city. God. Oh my God, this is so hard. I think that was an M. No, don't leave me, don't leave me. I think it's going over there, y'all. Oh my gosh, that was a M4 ski. Yeah, it did. Man. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, ain't that thing sounding nice? Oh my God, it sounded so nice. This Charlie just came out of nowhere now. This Charlie just came out of nowhere. Like, don't make me got a, where that key at? Nah, where that? I got 3 miles to play. I'm finna throw that, when I throw that key on, just know I ain't playing, bro. Just know I ain't playing. He trying to play. Chelly ain't got enough, man. That Chelly ain't got enough, bro. That Chelly ain't got enough. Oh my God, bro. That Chelly ain't got enough. Yo, that Chelly ain't got enough, bro. That Chelly ain't got enough, bro. Ah, I love this car, bro. I love this car. It's so quick. It's so quick, y'all. It's so quick, bro. And there's gonna one thing about it. It's gonna eat. Please don't come right here. Brookhaven. I ain't nowhere near y'all. Yeah, I ain't worried about y'all. Y'all know y'all can't do nothing to me. Bro, oh my God, I just seen that, bro. He came, bro. Stop, bro. Bro. Miles, bro. I would have took that cut, but I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it though. But I'll get in front of you though. Hey y'all don't know, bro. If everything goes perfect, is that an Audi? It is Audi. That's a R. That's an R thing. I don't know what that Beamer got down speeding up for. Like, I needed you to get over. I wanted you to come play. I needed you to get over and come play, not speed up. Oh my God, I got a fast Audi behind me. Man, camera still rolling. How long? We finna get active with you, Audi, too? You next? Come on, bro. on that key for you too. With that. Don't make it on that speed run. I get active too now. You know what? Let's do it.
I'm a haters, man, yeah, they thought I laid down for a year. I ain't dropped in the money, yeah, they thought I disappeared.
Come on, bro, like, you gon' play. Bro, just a chandelier. Kept it on for a long time. I can't feel my face. Everybody in the speed run. I just been a race. That bitch out there dancing, money, them that baby bring chase. Yeah! Put it in the face. I been doing it, that they gon' win. They hate that I been that nigga ever since beginning. Try to hunt a killer, nigga, now they got me finished. That bitch not my feelings. That bitch not my feelings. I know I need gas, I know. Nobody stopping me. No, it ain't no robbing me. Get rid of like gravity. Ain't nobody hiding me. I'm moving around, no hiding me. But what's going on, bro? Like, what's up with people drive, bro? Stupid, man.
To tell me, she don't feel me. That's why I don't feel me. I won't let them take you from me. They gon' have to kill me. Knock me down, I take a blast, but baby, just repair me. I know I've been silly. Baby, just forgive me.
I'm a haters, man, yeah, they thought I laid down for a year. I ain't tried in the mind, yeah, they thought I disappeared. Like, bro, man. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, I got, bro. And y'all understand, like, I can only imagine if I had a faster car, what I would just be doing to people. Like, bro, oh my, man. Oh, I don't need this no more. And y'all just enjoyed that love, you feel me? Hold on, yeah, I'm gonna post this. So with that being said, y'all go ahead and if y'all can see this right here, go ahead, just go ahead, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Dre Go Crazy, you feel me? Like, what's up with these cars not going, bro? Y'all dead-ass want to sit here and wait for this light, bro? Just go. Dang, all up on me, ain't it? But I'm gonna post this video right here, y'all. I almost went in that little pothole. But man, y'all, we just been, oh my God, we having fun, bro. The dash cam, I gotta get that video up here. The dash cam for the reels. I love how I'm stacking up on videos, so I have videos to post and try to be consistent. Cause man, bro. I love it. Ah, man, it's crazy. But nah, yeah, I don't know how long this video is, or whatever the case may be. I don't think it's no long video or whatever. I'm at 40 miles. Wow, 40 freaking miles. I was just going crazy in my car. Yeah, I got 40 miles left. Started at 110, and I'm at 40. But nah, I probably I'm finna rip it right here for a little bit. I'll go pedals. But yeah, so with that being being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this POV. I actually roll my windows down so y'all can hear. But I hope y'all enjoyed this POV. Subscribe to the channel. Hope y'all liked it. Like the video. Yes, like the video, please. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. We almost there at 3,100. At 3,100 subscribers, and we working, y'all. We working. So that being said, yeah, it's your boy Draco Crazy, man. I was not supposed to shift that like that, but yeah, I'm out, y'all.
These niggas ain't fucking with me. I just been giving them 50. I cannot be by no bitch. No, all of my bitches too pretty. Yes, most of these niggas be posers. Yeah. All of these niggas pretending. Bitch, I been that nigga for real. They talk about spending me, they ain't gon' kill me.